In today's video, we'll show you how to open and close a trade on MatchTrader. Once you've logged in, you'll see the instrument window on the left side. This is your go-to spot for all the instruments. To open a new trade, first, click on the instrument you wish to trade. Then click on New Order. You'll see the order window. Here you can set your lot size either by using these icons or simply entering the lot size you want to trade. Additionally, you can view other details like the required margin, available free funds, commission, and the current spread. You can also set your stop loss and take profit levels from here. Once you've set everything up, just click the sell or buy button and the order is placed successfully. Now let's talk about one-click trading. This feature lets you place trades even faster. Select the instrument you wish to trade. For example, if you want to place a buy trade for AUD/USD, just click on the instrument name, enter the lot size, and click the buy button. That's it, the trade is placed instantly. Additionally, you can place trades from the chart, but only when the TradingView chart is disabled. First, expand the chart window from here. Then, either click on New Order or use the sell or buy button to place trades directly from the chart. You can check all your open trades under the Open Positions tab at the bottom of the platform. To close a trade, navigate to the Open Positions tab and click the Close button next to the trade. That's it, the trade is closed. You can also close multiple trades at once using filters. For example, if you want to close all losing trades of a specific symbol, click Select, then choose the losing filter. Enter the symbol and click Close and all your loss-making trades will be closed with one click. You can check your closed trades under the Close Positions tab. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.